Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing really well today. I just wanted to pop on here and share I guess a really quick unboxing of a bag. Yeah, it's kind of a vintage style bag, or it's based on a vintage style bag that I guess it was re-released. I'm not really sure. And I'm not really sure if it's vintage. I just know I just know it was really popular, I think in the late 90s, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. But what kind of sparked this bag, the idea or even the finding of this bag, is actually because I did find a vintage bag not too long ago, and that is this one right here. So this is the Coach side pack, and I believe the color is mahogany, if I'm not mistaken. And when I was doing research on this bag, this other bag popped up for whatever reason, because it's not another Coach bag, it's actually a different brand. And well, you'll know by the title, it's that Dooney. But anyhow, that's how it kind of got me sparked on this little vintage rabbit hole. And I'm really going to try to just stop myself. I really don't want to fall into that vintage rabbit hole that I know is so easy to get into, because I've seen I've seen several YouTubers buy one vintage Coach, and then the next thing they know, they've got a whole collection of them. But I can't wait to clean her up and start using her. I finally found all the items I needed to clean her, and maybe I'll do a video on that, because her brass definitely has some wear. That's what she looks on the inside. Because she's here, she might as well show you everything, right? So it's got one back pocket that goes all the way to the bottom, and she's actually in pretty great condition. Like I said, I'll do a better in-depth, I guess, video on her, but she does need some cleaning. If you see this, you see these green spots, that's actually from the brassware in there. I put this stuffing in her when I got her so that she wouldn't be touching the back leather. That brass closure wouldn't. Okay, so enough of this bag. Now let's get to the bag that kind of was inspired by finding that bag. So it is a Dooney, and I've just unsealed the box, but I haven't opened her yet. And it's actually, this is the way she was packaged. Not much going on there. So, let's get it open. So, this is the all-weather Dooney Duck bag in the black leather. Oh, she's cute. I was hoping I wouldn't. I was actually hoping I wouldn't like her so much. So I was actually considering sending it back. Because, yeah, so do I need another handbag? Let's not ask that question. But let's take this off. Okay. Well, here's her strap. She's got a belt buckle there, adjustable not belt buckle. It does look like a belt buckle, but shoulder strap, sorry. I think I'm just get excited when we're talking about handbags. And let's see, here's the little, what do you call these? A hang tag? So it's got this there. This is super, super shiny, guys. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. is so, you know, it's just, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that, but it's not the main, it's not like it's the main attraction of the bag. Okay, so there is a back pocket. Like that. And of course I don't have my, I guess I could have done a really quick what fits. Okay, let's look at her inside. So she's got this, I want to say canvas type lining. It's got a reddish tone to it. Well, it is red. Okay, I've got a lot packaging in here. Okay, she's got a little a key fob attachment. What is that? Ton of these. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. She's very small, very, very small. Let's compare it really quick to the side pack. See that? Side. So very small. I mean, I didn't get her to compete with the Coach side pack, but this is pretty, this is kind of on the small side, so I thought that'd be a good comparison. But she's even smaller, but she is so cute. She's got some distressing right here. Let's see if you can see that. My light, I feel like my light's too bright in here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see right here. It's like some marking, like some stretch, some streaks or something. I'm not sure if it's meant to be that way. I was really unsure about how I was going to feel about it once I got it, because the logo's so huge, but she's pretty small. Like I said, she's on the smaller side. And I'm wondering what's gonna fit in her. Let's do a really quick what fits. Okay guys, so I grabbed my bag to do a quick what fits. This is the Dooney Bourke mini soft bucket bag, soft lemming, something like that. So I've got my wallet, or what I'm using as a wallet. I don't think it's labeled as a wallet. This is with that. So that's taking up a lot of room already. Let's see. So I definitely would carry my wallet. I'd carry my keys. But smaller bags like this, I don't like to overstuff. I'm gonna carry just the essentials with something like this. So there's my key fob. And you can see that's taking up a lot of space. So I would probably not use this wallet in here. I would probably use a card case, or there's actually that pocket we saw earlier. Do you see that? Let's see. Now here, I'm just gonna take Costco shop card, tuck that in there. You see that? Plenty of space, I think, for more cards and some cash. So, okay, keys, gum. I'm sure I could find a smaller package of gum, a mirror. If you can see that, blind you, the mirror, and lip balm, a lippy. What else do I have in here? I've got some cash, so I guess we can see how that tucks into that little space. See that? What's left? And hand lotion. So, and most importantly, my phone. So I definitely need a bag that can carry my phone. So she's got a, that's a true test. She can be cute all she wants, but she's got to carry my phone. Okay, that fits pretty good in the back. And I actually, there's some bags I would not do this. I would not do this. What I mean by that is that there's, with this type of leather, it's so durable and thick. It's like, what is that, pebble grain leather? And for example, this is a really soft leather, but that doesn't have a pocket. So let me show you. See that? I would be afraid that that would leave that indentation if I continually used it that way. So I would not use it on that type of leather, but with this leather, I think you could get away with that. There she is. She's really cute. She's got yellow, you probably know this, yellow contrast stitching, and she's got this leather piece going on the bottom. I like that detail. I think that's really pretty. So my only concern is this long strap, which is why I haven't peeled off the rest of this plastic. She's on the shortest, yes, setting, and I'll show you. Like, look at this. She's way below my waist, and I don't typically carry my bags that low so I don't know how I feel about that. I did get a good price on her. Like I said, she was on sale when I got her. I think full price she's $225. I'm sorry guys, I should have looked it up before, but I believe full price. She's not, it's not listed on here. And yeah, compared to the bag that I was using today, see, she's even smaller than this mini bucket bag. It's the bottom. And she's heavier too. She's a lot heavier than this bag is. Even when I had all that in there, she's still heavier, which is kind of actually what I recall Dooney's being like. I have one other Dooney bag, and I rarely take her out because she's so heavy. So, you see, definitely in the height, she's taller. She's, sorry, not, she's shorter. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to think this one a little bit. She's really cute. It's a really nostalgic bag. I think back to, I remember girls in high school had some of these, or what was it in high school? I remember Dooney's being around in high school, and it's like you had Dooney or Coach, I think. So I don't know. I love the nostalgic feel about it, and I love that she's all weather, like she states right on her, but I do like that. I feel like I could wear this any time of the year, no matter what's going on outside. There's so many bags that I have to constantly think about. Okay, I can't use her today, it's raining, or whatever the reason might be. If the weather's not right, there, you know, you just got those bags where you cannot take out or risk it. And this one is so durable, you'd be fine, and she'd carry the minimal essentials. So let me know what you think about her. I'm on the fence right now just because of the strap being so long. I may do some mod shots here for myself just to see how comfortable I would feel with that. But she was a really good price and she's really cute. I feel like I'm talking myself into keeping her. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think about today's bag, and let me know if you remember these bags and if you ever owned one. Okay, talk to you next time. Bye.